Welcome to English Silver.
The creation story of the Bible. Welcome to English Learning from Stories. Today, we will learn about the creation story. From the first 2 chapters of Genesis, listen to the story and dialogues, and enjoy this old story of how the world began. In the beginning, there was nothing. It was all dark. God's Spirit moved over the waters.
Let there be light.
And there was light. God saw that the light was good. He separated the light from the darkness. He called the light day, and the darkness he called night. This was the first day.
Let there be a sky to separate the waters.
So, God made the sky and separated the water under the sky from the water above it. He called the sky heaven. This was the second day.
Let the water under the sky come together, and let dry ground appear.
And it happened. God called the dry ground land, and the gathered waters he called seas. God saw that it was good. Then God said,
Let the land grow plants, seed-bearing plants and trees, that bear fruit with seeds.
And the land produced plants and trees of all kinds grew. God saw that it was good. Evening passed, and morning came the third day.
Let there be lights in the sky to separate the day from the night. Let them mark seasons, days, and years. Let them be lights in the sky to give light to the earth.
God made 2 great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. He also made the stars. God set them in the sky to give light to the earth, to rule the day and the night, and to separate light from darkness. He saw that it was good. This ended the 4th day.
Let the waters be full of living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth.
God created the great creatures of the sea, and every living thing that moves in the water, and every winged bird. God saw that it was good and blessed them, saying,
Be fruitful and increase in number. Fill the water and the seas, and let the birds increase on the earth.
Evening passed, and morning came the 5th day.
Let the land produce living creatures, the livestock, the creatures that move along the ground, and the wild animals.
God made the wild animals, the livestock, and all the creatures that move along the ground. He saw that it was good.
Let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness, so they may rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky, over the livestock, and all the wild animals, and over all the creatures that move along the ground.
So God created mankind in his own image. He created them male and female. God blessed them and said,
Be fruitful and increase in number. Fill the earth and subdue it. Rule over the fish in the sea, and the birds in the sky, and over every living creature that moves on the ground. I give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it. They will be yours for food, and to all the beasts of the earth, and all the birds in the sky, and all the creatures that move along the ground, everything that has the breath of life in it. I give every green plant for food.
And it was so. God saw all that he had made, and it was very good. Evening passed, and morning came the 6th day. So the heavens and the earth were completed. By the 7th day, God had finished the work he had been doing. On the 7th day, he rested from all his work. God blessed the 7th day and made it holy, because on it, he rested from all the work of creating that he had done. This is the story of how the heavens and the earth were created, the wonderful beginning of everything we know. Thank you for joining us in this creation story. Stay tuned for more interesting stories that help you learn English and give you new ideas. Keep learning and exploring.